Hello everyone, welcome back to the Architecture channel. Today we're going to go to Lakehouse in Norway because we are starting a new design series called the Lakehouse series. So with the Lakehouse series we aim to have 4 different designs by the end, and each house will be inspired by nature's own element. And this will consist of water, fire, earth, and air, which is also today's episodes. So the objective of each episode is to capture the essence of that element and create a design that really reflects the characteristic. So first of all, sketch time. For me, when I think about air, I really want to capture the character of lightness, airiness. So my proposal is to just create a box that floats in the forest, supported by thin trunks, but also reinforced by trusses. The external of this box will be cladded in timber cladding, but creating a texture that mimic the bark on the trees. I also want this house to be an escape for anyone who decides to stay, so be more like an Airbnb hotel style dwelling. So it's essential for this place to have a really relaxing atmosphere. It will be almost like a treehouse, hiding beyond the forest, and anyone who stays there can just grab a coffee in the morning and watch the sunrise. So my proposal is to create a vertical stair step that lets you walk underneath and straight up to the building. The building itself will be very open plan with a floor to ceiling double story height curtain wall that create a non-disturbed view where no matter where you are inside the house. With the design now set, we'll look into how we can possibly construct this building. By using stronger timber to form the columns, and then using lighter, possibly steel, to reinforce these posts, we'll be able to create a platform that lets the house sit upon. After the wall's been erected, we can look into fitting the curtain walling and all the glazing into place, which also provide an anchor point for the cladding to fit on. I want all these cladding panels to have the same length, but different depth. So once it's all put together, you'll create this concaving, almost wavy pattern that is wonderfully to look at from external. Now I want to go inside and show you around. Just like I mentioned how I want the internal to be open plan, the bathroom will be one of the focus of this house, as it also have a non-disturbed view out to the lake. By connecting to the bedroom using glazed doors, we are able to observe the nature no matter where you are in the house. Whenever of the day, you'll be able to see out, and all you can see is nature. Mechanical curtain will be used to help control the internal temperature and lighting level of the space. And if you are a fan of stargazing, this place would be perfect for anyone who just wants to grab a glass of wine in the evening and just watch that night sky. So what do you think, guys? Would you like to stay in place like this? Comment below and let us hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like our content. If you want to support this channel, feel free to click the subscribe and bell icon, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episodes. As I mentioned, this is one of the first Lakehouse series, so there's 3 more to go. In the meantime, check out our other contents on our channel, and until then, see you next time. Have a good day.